my biggest unboxing ever. Stick around to find out what we got. What's up, everybody? It's just another average stacker, and today we are going old school unboxing video. Given the fact that there is such a difficult time in getting coins to CoinRoll Hunt, and there did a little bit of a video on that the other day. Link will be up here to that video, explaining what could be happening and why some people may seem to be getting coins and others aren't. But today, and I've been waiting all week long to get to this, we've got a mega unboxing that I'm going to do. I went a little crazy, and there's still 4 more packages coming, but I need to get these opened up and out to my secure location because I just do not feel comfortable having all this sitting around the house. So what we're going to do, we're going to end up having 2 videos. The other one will probably be in another week or so. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and go through these. And we are going to start with a package from one of our very own family friends, Mr. A.G. Chopsticks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pull his package aside. I've been having some difficulty getting supplies for the channel. And he was going to his LCS. They had very reasonable prices and offered to pick some up for me. So let's see what AG picked up for Jazz. And we are going to go here. Let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. I shouldn't be pulling towards me, but I like to live dangerously. And we will score this tape over here on this side. Maybe we'll score it over on this side. I don't know. You know what? Let's shake it down. Nah, I don't want to do that. I don't want to take a chance that I might mess something up inside. We're just going to rip this bad boy apart. Okay, and here we go. AG and Little Mega Chopsticks. CoinRoll Hunting. I do not have this new channel sticker. So, you know what, AG? You're going to be the sponsor of our next video. Your sticker will stay right there during my next live stream. And let's pull out some packaging. Oh, good. I need some. I always love getting packages because it gives me more packing supplies to send stuff out. See? Jazz. What kind of package is this? Can't figure this one out. I need to move this camera down here. Sorry about that, guys. Water and tear resistant. Okay, how about knife resistant? So I had reached out to him. As many of you know, I was getting low on stuff that I give out for my channel, for donators and giveaways and so forth. And he very kindly offered to pick some stuff up for me. And I'm very interested because he said that he upgraded some stuff in here. And he packs well too. All right. See where the rest of this tape is. It's all over the place. I do not want to cut myself. And even though this knife has not held a very good edge, it's still rather sharp. And we are almost there, I think. So I asked him to pick me up 10 face value of Benjis and Walkers. So let's take a look and see what we got in the bag. Ah, the sight of that is just beautiful. I'm going to hold on to that bag too. So let's separate. Ooh, we've got some nice Walkers in here. Oh, man. And we'll separate the Benjis over here. And the Walkers over here. Oh! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay. Hold on a second. I gotta pull these. So, I'm gonna zoom the camera in a little bit because I just have to. Dude, okay. So, let's set these. Let's go through the Benjis real quick. We got a 55, a 53, 51, nice toned 50, a 51, 53, 51, 53, another 53, a BU, what appears to be a BU 63, and another almost uncirculated 62, and a very nice looking almost uncirculated 63. Dude, what's up with this? I'm hoping that these just came with what you just were able to just pick up from the LCS. So we got 3 absolutely beautiful Benjis there. And the rest, average circulation, but absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look at those underneath the scope real quick. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. Dude, you outdid yourself. And that's a Denver. So we got a 63 Denver, a 62, and these actually may just go right into my book. Denver. And this one almost looks proof-like. A 63. And maybe it is. I don't know. It's a Denver. If somebody can explain, I don't know how to tell what's a proof and what's not. But that thing is just absolutely has the most amount of luster of a Benji that I've ever seen. Because it's luster for life. Wow. Thank you so much, AG. Now, we've got some Walkers. 1918. 1941. Hold on a second. Just a second. A 43, and these are fairly slick, but that's quite okay. 1917, 1935. Decent looking 1940. A 35. And that one I'm not sure about. Let's take a look under the scope real quick. 59. 35. 36. And let's take a look at these beauties here. That is a 1945. Likely that this has been polished, but it looks beautiful. Maybe not. Come on, fingers, work. And another 1945 in almost as good a shape. Not quite. No mint mark there. I forgot to check the other one for mint mark. And no mint mark there. So 1945 Philadelphia's. Get this centered up a little bit better. Sorry, guys. Out of my normal scope here. And we've got another 1943. A 1937. A 1939. 1936, and that is a San Francisco Mint, and I'm going to have to go through these because I don't know how much he has gone through them. A 1935, I think that's a Denver. Pretty sure that's a D. Take a closer look. Yep. And a 1937. Let's put this up underneath the scope. Beautiful looking lady. With no mint mark. And then we have a 1907 Barber Half. AG, this is the first one of these that I've had. I have no Barbers. I have a Barber quarter that was part of my wife's grandfather's collection. But I do not have any Barber Halves. So I just want to say a huge, huge thank you for that. Wow, that's all I can say. We've got 7 absolutely beautiful, beautiful pieces from Mr. AG Chopsticks. And at the time, I got these for 14 and a quarter times face. And now everything's 17, 18, 19. So, did pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead. I know this video is going to get a little bit longer, so let's kind of move a little bit faster. And the next package is another package for the channel. This one's nowhere near as exciting. And let me get this zoomed back out. Okay, this one's another one for the channel. Nowhere near as exciting, but it is for the channel, so let's go ahead and get it opened up, and it is an unboxing. Hello. And as many of you are aware, I had run out of 90% Kennedys. So, I believe that's what's in this box. Package, whatever you want to call this rolled up thing. I think it was $11.50 face value. It looks like we may have some that are in really decent condition too. Oh, come on now. There's got to be someplace that this thing opens up. So let's take a quick look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 50. So, little more than a roll of 64 Kennedys. Now we're going to get into some other fun stuff. And this is stuff for me. So, let's figure out, I've pulled off a bunch of stuff. Any identifying information on all of these packages. And I don't care about the tracking numbers being there because none of it comes to me at my house. All goes to the P.O. box. And we got peanuts. We got peanuts. Let's get rid of the peanuts. We got a package inside the box with the peanuts. Very light package. Very, very, very light package. You know what we got, guys? Can you see it? Can you see it? What's that look like? I think it's gold, baby. We got gold. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 1/10 ounce Prospectors Gold. .24 carat, 1/10 of a troy ounce. Prospectors Gold and Gems out of Colorado, 2020. And I am curious to see if these are all 2020s. They likely are. (2020), 2020, 2020, and 2020. So, there is a ½ ounce of gold. Then we are going to go to this bad boy. And many of you have probably heard AG Chopsticks and I talking about this gentleman during our channels, Mr. Sean D'Souza. This was a purchase that I made for him. Extremely, extremely reputable and fair dealer. He does a lot of business on Facebook. If you want his information, feel free to shoot me an email. And he actually taught me something about some packaging, that a small flat rate box will fit into a flat rate envelope, padded envelope, and the flat rate padded envelope is cheaper to mail than the small flat rate box. Now these, I am very excited. I actually ordered these from him over 4th of July weekend. And with me going, this is a pre-sale, which means that you pay for it up front. It's being ordered. It takes a little bit to get to him, and then he ships it out. And when they came in, I was away camping and asked him to hold them for me, as I did not want them sitting without me being home. And we've got inside the priority box, we've got some more. And this man does not skimp on his packaging whatsoever. And I wouldn't be surprised if I didn't see another box inside of here. A bag. Yep, that's Sean for you. These I'm really excited about. Really, really excited about. And in another envelope. Good thing the U.S. Postal Service has free supplies. I think we might be getting down to the nitty-gritty and wrapped up even more. And I've got to be really careful because these are kind of a collectible for me. Generally speaking, I don't do collectibles unless it's to flip. But this one's not going anywhere. And I'm sure you can tell that it's not gold. And we have 4 bars. These are 4 10-ounce bars. And my name, Just Another Average Stacker, happens to double for something else because I like to stack poker chips also. And what we have are the 4 aces. We have the ace of diamonds, the ace of hearts, the ace of clubs, and the ace of spades. And these are a limited run, and these are sealed. And it appears that there are some scratching on the plastic, but that's about it. They do have a display case that you can get for these. I will probably make one myself and make it out of a nice mahogany or a walnut or something along those lines. So keep an eye out for that. So, okay. If we went from gold to this, and I'm saving the best for last. And as you can see, this one, registered mail, all kinds of tape. And this one came from a gentleman by the name of Paul Reiser out of Green Bay, Wisconsin. Another very reputable dealer that I have dealt with numerous times on Facebook. He's been in business for over 20 years. I'm doing nothing but bullion, etc. And sorry for being off camera. I'm trying not to stab myself, so. Okay. Pull the papers out of there, my receipt, etc. All right. Let's take a look. And package in a package. In a package. And we have 3 that out of the way. This one has my name on it. I'm trying to get that off of here. 3 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagles. We got 2000, all 3 are 2012s. Let's take a look at this beautiful, beautiful lady. Beautiful, beautiful lady. So, many of you know I am working on trying to fill up a tube of 1/4 ounce AGEs. So we are going to go ahead and get them into their capsules. And again, I'm going to put his information underneath the scope so that you can get that if you'd like. Get in there. There's one. And let's go ahead and stick that underneath of there. Yep, can't quite get it. You should be able to see it on the screen there. Excuse me. And number 2. And these are just bullion. There's nothing special about them other than the fact it's 1/4 ounce of gold each. And number 3. Get the caps for those. Uh-oh. So, 3/4 of an ounce of gold there. A 1/2 ounce of gold there. So 1 1/4 ounces of gold at roughly $2,000 an ounce, based on current spot. So you can do the math. 40 ounces of collectible silver and 3150. Uh-oh, camera's getting me over there. 3150, 90% silver halves, along with some beautiful BU and AU, and my very first Barber half. So I know this video got a little bit long, guys. I'm really sorry about that, but we had so much to do. Keep an eye out for my next video where I have 4 more boxes on their way. But like I said, I need to get this stuff out of the house and get it into my secure location first. And here's Paul's information. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. This is just another average stacker saying good night, everybody.